Welcome to our channel, Nourish Nation, where today we're exploring the amazing health benefits of okra water. Originating from the plant Abelmoschus esculentus, okra, also known as ladyfinger, has long been celebrated for its rich nutrient profile. But did you know that soaking okra in water could offer a myriad of health benefits? Let's dive into how okra water can positively impact your health. First up, okra water is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is crucial for maintaining cell health and reducing inflammation. Consuming okra water regularly may protect your body from chronic diseases. Another significant benefit is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or pre-diabetes, okra water may act as a natural and effective aid. The soluble fiber in okra slows sugar absorption in the intestines, helping stabilize blood sugar levels. Okra water is also a great way to boost your digestive health. Its high fiber content aids in digestion, preventing constipation, and promoting regular bowel movements. Plus, the mucilaginous texture of okra may soothe the digestive tract, reducing discomfort. Next, let's talk about hydration. Infusing water with okra not only adds flavor, but also enhances your hydration. Keeping your body well hydrated is essential for skin elasticity, joint lubrication, and nutrient transportation. For those aiming for weight management, okra water may be a helpful addition to your routine. Low in calories, yet high in fiber, it creates a feeling of fullness that aids in controlling your appetite. Enjoy it as a refreshing, calorie-free beverage. Lastly, okra water is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins C, A, and K, as well as magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These nutrients are vital for immune function, bone health, and overall vitality. In conclusion, incorporating okra water into your diet can provide numerous health benefits. It's a simple and natural way to enhance your wellness journey. Remember to consult a healthcare professional if you're considering making significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insightful content. Stay healthy and hydrated.